how to fix Reddit login problem 2026. So to fix Reddit login issues, what you can do is you can start by clearing the app cache and storage. Just go to the settings of your device, then scroll down to the apps. Now find Reddit from the list, or you can just simply tap on the search icon in the top left corner and then type Reddit. Tap on it. Now tap on storage and select clear data. Once you select clear data, try to log in to the Reddit. If it doesn't work, go back to the same page and then tap clear data at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now the next thing this removes, corrupted login tokens. Now the next thing what you can do is delete and reinstall. Just go to the existing Reddit app on your device, tap and hold on it, then tap uninstall. Once you uninstall this, go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then find Reddit and then re-download it to your device. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.